This thing on? Alright, good. Alright, come on. Now, what I did was, I was just mowing the grass. I was walking along, just, and then I found a tree, and it had an egg in it. I never noticed a tree before, but there was a nest in there, and there was an egg. And I think, not sure, but it might be shrimpo egg. So, come on guys, I'm gonna come show you, come on. Now, the egg is right here in this tree in the nest. Now, we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it real gently. Now, I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna touch it. Oh, I touched it, ha! I touched it. All right, now, I wanna take it, but I don't know if I should. What's that? What's that? Oh, I better hide right now. I'm gonna hide in this bush. Oh, it's the Fruit Loop bird. Ah, I'm getting a good view of my binoculars. I don't even know why the Fruit Loop bird here anyway. I don't even like your cereal. I'd kill him right now. All right, how am I gonna catch this thing? Oh wait, I know. Okay, now, the trap is set. What's gonna happen is she's gonna come down here and be like, oh, what the happened to one of my eggs? And she's gonna be sitting here sniffing it. And then after that, she's gonna pick it up like so. And she's gonna step right here. And then I'm gonna pull it like that. And then after that, I'm gonna catch me a new birdie. Yeah, and I'll have a pet birdie. And I'm gonna have another egg so I can make me some shrimpo omelets. Shrimpo omelet. All right, gotta set this back up now. Make it all pretty. All right, there we go. Good egg. All right, let's go. All right, and get down here, get my string. All right, now we're gonna sit here, and now we're gonna make the bird call. Now, I'm gonna do the call to get him to come over here. I don't think he heard me. All right, now I've been waiting for this call right here. This one's special. All right, I'm gonna do it. Hey, toucan bird, get down here. Mr. Toucan saying. Get back here! I don't think you heard me. Ah! Stupid that bird! I got your egg! It's working! Oh crap, it's working! Now I gotta pull it! Yeah, got it! Alright, now I got it. I'm trying to take him on home. Boy. I done got supper, guys. All right, time to cook dinner. Yeah. All right, we're gonna behead them, we're gonna gut them, we're gonna roast them, and we're gonna enjoy a nice feast. All right, let me get a knife. All right, here we go. Beauty, isn't she? All right. Oh man, I can't kill this poor innocent little creature. Just look at it. I think I'll just keep you as a pet. That's what I'll do. Yeah, my new birdie, Mr. Skittles. That's what I'm gonna call you. All right, now I'm gonna put you in Shrek's room because Mario didn't give me a nice enough room in this place. It's all fancy castle for me to be alone. So here's Shrek's room. Why don't you get right here, get some sleep, and I'll come get you for supper. I'll see you in a few, my Skittles. Oh, cheesecake. Oh, Sarah Lib, naughty little cheesecake. We'll have fun tonight. Oh, yes. Talk dirty to me, cheesecake. Go ahead, do it naughty. Oh, tell me you have chocolate, blueberry, strawberry, anything, talk dirty. Oh, let me turn on the light, my love. I got to see your beautiful face. Oh, sorry, cheesecake. You caught me cheating. Bad little ogre. Let me finish. Oh, best cheesecake I ever had. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, go ahead. Checking out Black Yoshi playing some Call of Duty on Xbox 360 because my PlayStation network down because some hoes done try to hack it. Nope, not up in here. I still own them. Alright, go ahead. Alright. Yeah, not up in Black Yoshi house. Not up in here you don't. Because you want to know something? Look at my chain. Okay, go ahead. Do your chain hang low, always. Do a wobble to the floor. No, don't, because I don't want to touch no ground. Go ahead. What's that? Oh, no, can't be. Shrekky! Man, calm down with that cheesecake in there. Alright, then get it back, man. Call of Duty. Alright. Dude, I done told you, calm down. Cheesecake ain't that good. No, it's not. Alright, gotta get focused now. You just went like 25-2. We gotta do better than that. Alright, let's get focused now. Play some Call of Duty. Yeah. Cheesecake ain't that good, folks. Cheesecake ain't that good. Oh, I'm gonna go check on this, folks. I'm gonna set it off over there. I'm gonna set it off. I'm about to set it off over here. My fast go round. Cracky, what is that? Oh, I don't know, Black Donkey. Maybe you could tell me. I was just sitting here trying to enjoy my cheesecake, and then moment ruined, because I see little toucan bird with Fruit Loops, and no. That's what I ate for breakfast. I'm trying to come in here, eat my cheesecake, and then Fruit Loop bird. You tell me what's going on, Donkey. Folk, you know I ain't bring no bird up in the crib. You know that. That's what's up. I'm gonna go pet it. Let's go pet it. I'm gonna come over here and just pet a little bird. Yeah, good bird. Oh no! Hey, Shrek, get my guy!
Black Donkey!
Get my guy real quick! It eat me, folks!
Don't worry, Black Donkey! I found your Glock! I'm gonna get him! Oh, Black Donkey, I've never shot one of these before!
Just shoot him, folks! Just shoot him! Ah, folks! You shot me! You shot me, folks! Alright, I hope he likes cat food. I don't know what birds eat these days. Back in the day, they ate cat food. Maybe this will work. Alright, now, let's go feed him. Oh, raise his patience. He might like them. He might have a little sweet beak every now and then. Throw some in there. Alright, we're good now. Alright, let's go feed him. Oh, I hear yelling. Oh, Skittles in trouble. Let's go get him. Skittles, is everything okay? I shot Black Donkey. Skittles. Skittles! Bad Skittles! Drop him! Drop him, Skittles! Drop him! Oh, thank the Lord, folks! Folks, he shot me in the nose, folks! Cheesecake dude just bust a cap up in my nose! Skittles, you're going to timeout! Bad Skittles! Well, you know this bird, folks? Yeah, I caught him earlier today. His name's Skittles. He's so colorful and birdy. Don't you like him? No, folks, I don't like him. He done tried to eat me. And he made cheesecake dude, done bust a cap up in my nose. And then if you don't get rid of this bird, folks, I'm gonna kill him tonight. I'm gonna bust cap. Alright, now why would you go and harm poor defenseless little Skittles? He ain't doing nothing wrong. He ain't no better. Maybe it's just because you're African American. He did come from Africa, and them Africans tried to clip his wings so he wouldn't fly off anymore because he's rare. Yeah. Folks, he don't like black people. Ooh, no. You better get him out of his house before I go crazy up in this hole. Ooh, no. All right. You win. I'll take him somewhere else. Come on, Skittles. Yeah, folks, you better take him somewhere else, because if I catch him in this house again, he gonna be bird stew. Ooh, folks, bird stew. You okay, Black Donkey? Folks, just give me a Band-Aid. I'll be all right. I'm still bleeding all over the place. All right, I'll be right at the back. I'm so sorry to yell at you, Skittles. I didn't mean that. Alright, now I just gotta find a place to put you. Oh, the bathroom, that's perfect. Alright, come in here. Alright, now, we're gonna come over here. And right there is where your food is. Right there, there's toothpaste so you can brush your beak so you don't get beak breath. And then your potty man, if you can't make it 1 foot to go to the toilet. So, have fun in here, and I'll be back every now and then to check on you. Don't cause any more commotion. Good night, Skittles. Oh, I finally get to lay down. Oh, exhausting day. Oh, that didn't sound good. Time to use the toilet. Oh, donkey is gonna be a world's largest crap right here. Oh, I can't hold it.
Oh, somebody's in the bathroom. Hurry up in there, please. Please hurry up. I got a crap. I can't hold it. Hurry up in there. I got the crap. I can't hold it. It's hurting real bad. Hurry up. I need to get in the toilet. I got the crap real bad. Hurry up. You got to be kidding me. You're a bird. You can't be pooping in there. Ew. I'm gonna open this. Get out. I got the crap. Yeah, folk, I still flying my green band-aid all day, folk. Let's go. Yeah, still flying the motherfucker. Alright, can't wait to go back and play some Call of Duty. I done paused it. I'm at the hardest part of the game. We're gonna do this right now. We're gonna do it right with no disturbances. Let's go, let's do it. Ooh! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Call of Duty! Call of... Oh, F nah! Oh, F nah, folk. I'm gonna kill you now. Oh, folk, I got my machine pistol now. Yeah. You better fly away, you stupid bird. Go ahead. Yeah, you better run and never come back, folk. Play my Call of Duty. You crazy people up in here. That was the most refreshing crap I've ever taken. Yeah, I think I lost 20 pounds. Oh, I'm gonna go eat some McDonald's now, yay! Yay, McDonald's, chicken nuggets, Big Mac, chicken nuggets, Big Mac.
Alright, I had a long day and can't wait to get me some rest, and then I'm gonna wake up in the morning and eat me a nice old breakfast full of shrimpos and eggs and all kind of other yummy stuff. I'm gonna share it all with Skittles, me and my Skittles. Lay here and just take a nap with my eyes open.
McDonald's. You know what'd be good with this? Cheesecake. I'm gonna go get cheesecake. Cheesecake. Let's try the fine cheesecake. Cheesecake. Oh, that little donkey, I swear to God, he never have cheesecake in this house? Alright, I'll just eat the McDonald's plain. It's always good like that. Alright. Oh, can't wait to eat Mickey D's. Yes. Alright. Holy crap! Who ate my McDonald's? I bet it was that stupid bird. Oh, I'm gonna kill it now. Ooh, 3 in the morning, just got done whooping tail on Call of Duty. My nose be feeling better. Good day right here. About to go to bed. Dream some hoes. Let's go. Black donkey, I'm gonna kill that bird. Ooh, what'd he do now? He ate my McDonald's. I can't take it anymore. First thing in the morning, we're gonna kill that bird. Alright, folk, whatever you say. Just wake me up in the morning and bop, bop, bop. We're gonna shoot him. And then he gonna be sleeping with the fishes like Osama bin Laden, folk. Alright, Black Donkey, first thing in the morning. Oh, I finally get some sleep tonight. Oh, can't wait in the morning, gonna kill that bird. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, so comfortable, can't wait. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. I can't wait to kill that bird. kill that bird. Who you talking to? Talking to me? You talking to me? Ah! Ah! I know you're not talking to me again. Yes, this'll do. Black donkey. Black donkey.
Well, why are you waking me up, Bo? What you need?
It's time, black donkey.
Well, Bo, let me get my Glock. Or let go.
Alright, folks, I got my Glock. Where this bird at? It's by Woody. Come on, let's go get it. Alright, black donkey. They're over there. Alright, folks, let's go get them. Shh. Alright, black donkey, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take this trash bag and you're gonna walk up behind Skittles and you're going to capture him in the bag. And then we're gonna shake the bag and then we're gonna stab him and we're gonna shoot him. Alright, folks. Alright, folks, start stabbing this bag. Oh, you stupid bird! Eating my cheesecake in my McDonald's! Ugh! This is for eating my cheesecake! Alright, folks, my turn. Let me get my Glock. Donkey, where do you want me to put the bag at so you can shoot it?
Folks, just sit on the side of the house so nobody hears.
Okay, donkey. Stupid bird! Hurry, black donkey, shoot it!
Oh, folk, I've been waiting all day for this. Yeah, folk, he definitely is dead. Bye-bye, little birdie. Tweety, tweet, 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 tweet.
But black donkey, where are we gonna hide the body?
Alright, folk, I got an idea where to hide it. Hold my Glock. Ooh, folk, I'm gonna throw him in this trash can. Ooh, folk, that bird ain't never coming back. Ah, good riddance.
Oh, for the love of God, I can't believe I just killed the bird.
Don't forget about me, folk. I bust cap up in that birdie.
Alright, donkey, I'm gonna go take a nap.
Alright, folk, I'm gonna play me some Call of Duty, bust cap up with some people.
So tired. Oh, everything's suddenly brighter. I don't know why I was wearing sunglasses and thought. Anyway, oh, yes. Oh, now I got to figure out what's on television. Oh, cheesecake commercials, hopefully.
Breaking news, okay? There has been a rare bird, parrot, I should say, that escaped from the African zoo earlier this morning. We also have had word that the zookeepers are offering a $20 million reward if you bring the bird back alive. Don't bring it back dead, and don't bring it to the news station like we had someone do earlier today. So, there's a picture of the bird to my, turn left out the line, my right over here, and if you have it, please bring it as soon as possible. Thank you.
Are you kidding me? $20 million? Oh, why? Black donkey! Black donkey!
Hey, folks, I saw a newscast. I got the bird out of the trash can. Do you think they give us like half and half for a dead bird? Like 10 million, folks? Like $1 million?
No, donkey, it has to be alive.
Alright, folks, hey, I can make it look alive. Look, I'm killing, folks. Tweet. Hey, folks, would you believe it?